People depend on their furnace to get them through the winter, and breakdowns are not part of anyone's heating plans. American Weathermakers' motto is, "We won't be comfortable until you are." That's why we've been serving you, your parents and grandparents, since 1949. Annual tune-ups have always been recommended to keep your heating running safely and efficiently. We look for worn parts that seem distressed. American Weathermakers can do more. A furnace that is over 8 years old is already cycled 100,000 times. Parts get worn down by this point. That is why American Weathermakers is now offering a factory refresh to equipment that is between 8 and 16 years old. We replace parts that through our experience have shown to cause problems. American Weathermakers updating and restoring of your furnace not only makes it more reliable, but it also gives you a renewed confidence in the heating workhorse and extend the active life of the furnace, because breakdowns are less common. Best of all, it costs less than having individual broke parts replaced and dealing with an emergency service call. Call to schedule today or visit AmericanWeathermakers.com to learn more about adding years to the life of your furnace. And for a limited time, get an extra $50 off this service to make this a little easier on your wallet.